Assalamu alaikum everyone. Can someone call the mental hospital because Bitcoin is just stupid Bitcoin, man. All the time stupid Bitcoin, okay? The charts look good on the altcoins, but whenever you are just when you think everything is okay, Bitcoin steps in and says, "Hey," and says, "What's up?" Now I'm not sure that are we crazy or Bitcoin is now crazy because I mean, it's trying to can you just take a gun and kill us already? Okay. And even though this is a VeChain update, I just want to talk about Bitcoin because every single damn coin out there cannot play against Bitcoin, be it VeChain, be it Binance coin, be it Ethereum, whatever the hell coin, whichever coin you want to bring out there. And today I made a video update in the morning, and you can check that one on the channel as well. And I talked about potential bear flag right here. Do you see that on the 1 hour time frame? um, the prices were actually going down like this, made a bear flag right there, and this is looking to drop to $40,000. Okay, so there is a threat. Now I do want to talk about the weekly time frame, and this is so scary on the weekly. This is so scary on the weekly, and I'm afraid that this is gonna drag VeChain to hell, you know. And as a matter of fact, this can be absolutely bad. Now we did have a potential falling wedge out of it. We had a stick sandwich that didn't play out. We had a bump and run, didn't play out. Now the head and shoulder, it's time to actually put your focus into the head and shoulder pattern, because I'm afraid if it does play out, it's gonna drop all the way down to $29,000. And one more thing that I want to talk about the weekly is that on the weekly, that's a very clear bear flag, as a matter of fact. Okay, and bear flag now is in play. It wasn't in play until 2 days ago, yesterday, when I was recording the video update, and I did point out about the bear pennant, but there was a bullish candlestick within this bear pennant, and it's called a stick sandwich. It didn't play out, got cancelled. Yes, sometimes it, of course, I've been saying this on the channel back to back, that candlesticks doesn't really confirm that you're gonna go up, but there is a possibility of going up. Now rarely this ever happens, okay? This rarely ever happens when you have a bullish candlestick like this one. Now the issue with Bitcoin is that on the monthly time frame also as well, we do have the evening star. Do you see that? And that's bearish. That means the prices are gonna go and drop even more further down, and we could go to $39,000. Okay, if I just turn on the EMAs here, you could actually see that the 20 EMA could be very well be respected in this case, and Bitcoin will go all the way down to the 20 EMA as well. What I want to do though is go back into the weekly, and January is gonna be trash, man. I think January is gonna be rubbish all in all. And considering that now on the weekly you have the bear flag playing out, I'm gonna take the top here to the bottom. That's 32% of the all-time high to there, and I do see Bitcoin actually going 32% more down from here, from the breakdown, and that's actually gonna take in nearly $32,000, even maybe $29,000 once again. So the drop is not over, and I think the drop is way far from over. And if this happens, I'm afraid VeChain is gonna sink below the earth. It's gonna go way more down. It's just like the title of the video says. um, Bitcoin is really gonna drag everybody to hell. To the, like, even if I do focus now on this VeChain, I do see that particular bear flag once again from here and then there, and that's a almost clear bear flag. Now every coin looks good on itself, and I'm gonna tell you, this one dropped by 58 or 53%, and I'm really afraid, guys, and it's very bad. I mean, you might even end up disliking this video, but I'm gonna always be clear and transparent with you. I'm not trying to put you into the blues, and this is gonna go to the 50%. And yesterday, even on my Signal channels, I actually told the people on my paid Signal channel that they can close their entries at the $44,000, $44,200. We closed our Bitcoin entries. Now I've been giving these calls even when Bitcoin was at $47,000. $49,000, and we sold at 49. Bitcoin went to 46,000. Now it was at 44,200. Bitcoin came to 42,000 now, and it's looking to go even way more down. So overall, it's like we've been saving nearly 20% of our drops from Bitcoin, or definitely from Bitcoin, and those people are enjoying at the moment. And still, I do these updates and talking about Bitcoin, man, it's bad. It's bad. It's just simple. Simple put, it's bad. Okay, VeChain is good in itself. Look at the VeChain chart. Talk about the VeChain itself. It is good. And I do wish sometimes that these altcoins can actually have the ability to act by themselves and not follow Bitcoin, because they have and they tend to follow Bitcoin every single minute of the day. Now, we did try to once again break that, blue line right there. This time we went nearly 96, and then from there, Bitcoin stepped in and snapped its finger just like Thanos does. And then from there, we went all the way down, had a big red, but this fall is not over. And in the past videos, the call that I've been giving about this being your fourth wave right here can play out, and you can see VeChain actually filling this wick. Do you understand that's the issue in here right now, guys? It's not financial advice, but the thing is, I'm just telling you what it is. Okay, I'm just telling you the charts, and being honest with you is good. When I was bullish for a reason, and when I'm bearish, I'm gonna be bearish for a reason as well. So yesterday the story different, today the story is different, tomorrow the story is gonna be different, and that's the reason why I'm always keeping you up to date with these videos, to teach you, to actually make you learn how to trade, to go to tradingview.com, and you also draw these charts along with it so that you can actually see the points, and I try to make it easy for you to decide to sell or to actually buy something. Okay, you can have a 5% drop, cut off your losses. At least you're going to save 15% or even 30% of your money. And thanks so much for guys for watching the video. Just be very careful out there. I don't see if this drop is the final one, and this is not the dip that you should be buying at the moment. There is now a big chances of bigger, I mean massive drops. Maybe that bear market can be upon us sooner than we thought. Okay, now I did tell you though that even if you do go for the fourth wave and come down, the fifth wave in the future is still pending. Yes, on a higher time frame, the Elliott wave theory is still not going to be invalidated. So on a higher time frame, on the like multi-month, maybe 2, 3, 4 months, painful, even more painful. It's going to remain painful, but then in the future, one last wave to the upside as well. So thank you. Like this video if you learned something new, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.